Imagine this. You spend weeks preparing your university application for Germany. You submit everything, wait for months, and then rejection. Oh no, my student visa for Germany got rejected. What now? How will I manage? Was it my bank balance? Was it my documents? Or maybe they just don't like me? Wait, don't panic. You are not alone. Many students get rejected because of simple mistakes, and today I'll tell you why. Here are 5 big reasons why students get rejected for a German visa and how you can avoid them. Reason 1 is due to insufficient bank balance. Germany is not free. You need to show you can survive there. If your German block account is not complete, your visa is gone. You need 11,904 euros in a German blocked account. Do not take any fake bank statements. They will check. But hey, we are just not talking about the problems. We also have a solution for you. You can create a block account in just 10 minutes with only your passport and Fintiba. It gives you a German bank account and provides your official confirmation letter within hours. And the best part is, if you open your account from our link in the description, we, the team of Admissionlabs, will check your documents for free and make sure you are 100% ready for your appointment. No mistakes, no stress, just a smooth visa approval process. Reason number 2 is fake or wrong documents. Germany loves documents, but if one paper is missing, outdated, or fake, rejection. All certificates should be translated in German and English. Your SOP and CV should match your application. No copy paste from ChatGPT. Check your documents twice and always keep extra copies. Reason 3 is weak study purpose statement. I love Germany. It has good education. Sounds bad, right? This is why your visa officer rejects you. And trust me, I would also have. Your SOP must be clear and personal. Explain why Germany, why this course, and how it helps your career. Write your story, make it real. Visa officers are not robots. Reason 4 is no proper travel and accommodation plan. They'll ask you, where will you stay? If you say, I don't know, rejected. Book student housing or temporary stay in advance. Have a clear travel plan, and they might ask you about your flights and entry dates too. Get a booking confirmation from a student dorm or Airbnb before your interview. Reason 5 is bad visa interview in case if you have one. I want to pro. They'll not trust you. And you trust me in this case. If you are nervous, unprepared, or lying, you are gone. Practice basic questions. Why Germany? Why this course? What are your future plans? Speak confidently and honestly. Be polite. No overconfidence. Reason: prepare hard and practice. Don't lie in your interview. Here is how you can increase your chances of visa approval. Apply early. Don't wait until the last minute. Have a strong study plan. Show your career goals very clearly. Always have a backup plan just in case. Now, you know the big mistakes that students make and their visas are rejected, and also how you can avoid them. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more study in Germany tips. See you guys in Germany. Ciao.